Well, hello, this is Jake. We're here at the car after it's been cleared. We had to put the whole thing together again, like we talked about earlier, and lined up all the panels like it's going to be finished. And that's so we have that stripe going through all the panels, and we know everything's going to be right on point where we want it. So once all the color was done and the stripe was done, went ahead and took it all back apart again, and right now we're looking at the body and the hood. So it was pretty tough. It was a little hot, but we used 925-10 Glazerite tropical clear, so it was really made for a high temperature, and we also used a slow hardener and slow reducer. So this is where it turned up, and did pretty good. The body, that's the one that's tough because it's all one panel pretty much. So where I started was I started spraying. Actually, the side cowls got 3 coats and the body got 5. The panels got 5 coats. So I started on the front cowl, and I kind of worked into the jam, and then I started actually. This is called a down side draft booth. So we got our fresh air coming down on top of the car and kicking out to the sides. So it's going to obviously dry faster on the top. So I finished actually on the roof. And so as I sprayed the lower rocker and worked my way up to the quarter, and then I got to the upper quarter to the sail panel, and then I would stop, and then I'd go to the other side and pull that quarter all the way up to about the same area, and then I tied it all together on the rear panel. And then from there, I worked up the sail panel, and I worked from the outside of the roof into the center, and then went around the car and pulled that down to the other end of the hood, to the roof. And it's pretty cool. We've been waiting to see this color with some clear on it, and it's pretty happy with it. All my jams. You really want to make sure that the areas you're not going to really polish need to look like how you want it to look. So jamming these, like for example, the deck lid trunk jam area, it's all nice and wet and smooth. Door jams are all nice, and then all the lower rockers too. So all that stuff that you see, like if it's on a lift or the hard to get spots, pretty much where you don't want to buff, you better lay it down like how you want it to look. So that's where we're at. Pretty cool. Now it's time to get these out of the booth, and we're gonna spray the last of the panels here. I've got doors, fenders, inner fenders, which will go satin, but I'll base those all together, and you just either pull those out or put them on the other end of the booth. If you have a good enough booth, you can, with good enough airflow, you can spray the 2 different clears. It all depends on how it'll work out. One thing about this is you got to be fluid. You got to be able to adjust with what the panels and what the materials and what the weather and everything's giving you. So that's where we're at. Thanks. All right, hey, this is Jake at MetalWorks to kind of conclude this part of the process of building this cool car. We got the color down, the clear went down really well, and now we're gonna just let it set for a couple weeks, and then we'll get to cutting and buffing, which will be pretty cool. It's nice to see it kind of to knock out that texture and then get that final gloss out of it. So right now I'm just unmasking the satin on the inside of the door jambs and getting ready to move it out, but that's where we're at. Pretty happy with it because we painted the panels all together with the car. We know that the flakes are all going to be nice and even and just look really good. So really happy with it, and excited to get my first one done here at MetalWorks. And